Okay, it's day 5. We're heading to Tokyo Game Show. Probably gonna be a pretty chill day today because I'm all exhausted. Oh my god, we've been transferring for 10 minutes and we're still not at the platform yet. Anyway, we need to go over there.
お客様いらっしゃいましたらこちら左側にお進みください。
Oh my god, okay, sorry if I didn't get any footage of that because that was probably the most crowded place I've ever been in. Anyway, back in the hotel, I thought we could do a room tour right now, but first things first, you'll notice like the room service lady actually just arranged all our soft toys nicely. We did this bit, a bed. You got a desk that we've just completely filled up. Shrine of capitalism. The bathroom though is actually really nice, like spacious. It's like half the size of our actual bedroom. But we were gonna go to the Death Note, some Death Note exhibition, but I decided to go on Tuesday because at the moment I'm a bit like stressed on time. Got a bathtub, but that is basically it. I think there's not much room to tour, so. Good morning. We're going to Kyoto today, really early, so I'm exhausted. Platform 16, car 16. Commandeered transport. That was good. I'm thinking of not going to Fushimi and Ari anymore because too much walking. You don't want to walk, right? So we're probably just gonna follow Tiger around and just see some random stuff. Okay, I decided to do a proper room tour now. I actually took one yesterday. I decided it wasn't up to standard, so I want to do a more detailed one. Maybe I will do not shower yet. First of all, we have this is where we put all our shoes. I'll put all my shoes. Just over here. Over here is an umbrella collection. Very nice. There's a lot of power outlets all over the room, so it makes it pretty handy. But like the old Japan, the Japan outlet, we just use a universal outlet. Yeah, we had an issue where the only converter that actually worked. It was like 2-pin. But then it also meant that the exit or whatever was also 2-pin, so it didn't work because our cables are like 3-pin. I don't really know how to describe it. It would only support these ones, but it wouldn't support the ones that had 3. So that's why I just decided to get a universal outlet. And yeah, we have a desk here. It's really cluttered. So I have my blahaj and just a few notebooks in case I need to do studying. You have a cupboard here with cups and that is creepy. And yeah, the bed is huge, by the way. Like it's a little bit on the harder side, but it's really comfortable. We get like complimentary slippers, shoe polish, that stuff. I don't know what that is. And then a bathrobe, which we kind of just chucked up there. Then we have our fridge. We don't get any minibar stuff. We get like water once a day, or depending on who's at the concierge. I swear, some of them are really strict and only allow us 1 bottle. And some of them are like pretty chill and they just give me whenever I ask. Some luggage, that's another luggage. Oh yeah, this is our shrine to capitalism. So everything that we have bought so far, we just decorated it here. Like, oh my god, it's gonna be a nightmare to pack, but at the moment it looks pretty cool. And then this is the Amori party minus Aubrey and that girl. This is our bathroom. I'm gonna actually take in this. Oh yeah, we have an air purifier as well. Sink's alright, but like I think, yeah, Ariel, some of your blood is still clogged in the sink. We have toothbrushes, hair dryer over here, 4 of these smaller towels, which we haven't actually used at all yet. My Singapore Airlines cutlery, I just put it there because when we were eating the cheesecake the other day, I needed to wash it. These are all my sister's toiletries. This is my skincare stuff. All bathrooms in Japan literally have a bidet. They even like the really dodgy like ones you find on the side of the street. And our shower, all the usual stuff, more skincare stuff. Our bathtub's pretty nice. Like one issue I've had is like it makes me anxious when I feel like my shampoo water is going in the bathtub. These are like our main shower towels. Like my one is a bit damp usually because it gets really humid in here, but yeah, I forgot to mention we also have like, you know, the room switch and this thing